What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. How to make the narcissist chase after you. How to make a narcissist obsessed with you and chase after you. So what are the ways and tricks to make a narcissist come after you with all their might? Now, narcissists are very difficult people to deal with because they tend to think of themselves all the time. In short, narcissists are self-centered, selfish people who always put their needs first above everybody else. It's always about them. When you're having a conversation with a narcissist, it has to be centered around them. All the attention is on the narcissist. These are people who use and misuse others. They lack empathy, so it's very difficult for them to form bonds, real emotional love bonds with anybody else. They can't love the narcissist. That's how they are. Now, if you are in love with a narcissist, I pity you. I'm sorry. You must be going through hell on earth. Now, if you find yourself in this terrible situation, that is in love with a narcissist who doesn't even care about you, they don't even, it appears like they don't see you, then I'll give you tips and tricks on what you can do to make the narcissist chase you, obsess about you, to make the narcissist look for you and beg you to love them, beg for your love. You see, the narcissists, they believe everything revolves around them. It has to be about them. They believe they are more important, special, unique than everybody else. So the narcissists, they look down upon everybody else. They devalue others. They demean others. They want to control everyone and everything around them. So if you want to make yourself irresistible to a narcissist, you want to make the narcissist chase after you. If you want to get the narcissist chase you, so you have to find ways to make the narcissist stop thinking about themselves and put all their attention on you. So number one is to be a very good listener. You see, narcissists love talking about themselves and themselves only. If you have a conversation with a narcissist, it will be about them. So, be a good listener, because the narcissist will always want to talk about things they're interested in all the time. They want to talk and they want you to only listen. So, because you've chosen the narcissist to be the love of your life, you must listen, give them ears, listen to them when they talk. Because if you are in love with a narcissist, in that relationship it will be mostly you listening and them talking. So when you become a good listener to the narcissist, learn all the effective listening skills, practice engaging, be interactive, be encouraging, be cooperative. As you listen to what the narcissist says, give them the relevant feedback they need. That way the narcissist will always be happy having a conversation with you. They will love you for that narcissistic supply, that satisfaction you're giving them. They'll need you in their lives. So another way to make the narcissist obsessed with you, chase you, and find you irresistible is to be confident. If you appear to be someone who lacks confidence, the narcissist will not even take a notice of you. What attracts the narcissist most to you is self-confidence. So show the narcissist you know who you are. If you know yourself and behave like you know yourself and where you are going to, where you are heading, the narcissist will believe you're very confident. They will notice you. If you have self-esteem, then you are confident. You have self-confidence. The narcissist will never ignore you. They'll stop ignoring you. They'll become obsessed with you. They'll chase you. So when you walk boldly with a straight posture. Your shoulders should be held back. Your eyes should be pointed straight forward. That way it shows that you are someone who's sure of themselves. And the narcissist will admire you. So wear a smile all the time. And give this image of someone who has everything under control. That way the narcissist will chase you. They'll be obsessed with you. They will find you irresistible. So to make the narcissist chase you, share their interests. Learn everything about the narcissist. You know, knowledge is power. So get as much knowledge as you can about the narcissist. Find out what the narcissist's hobbies are, their interests, their values. So if you find that you have common interest with the narcissist, then you can create a bond with the narcissist. And if possible, you can outsmart them. So, be independent. That's another way of making the narcissist obsessed with you, making the narcissist chase you. Sometimes the best strategy would be to nurture your own hobbies and interests. The best way to make a narcissist come chasing you, crawling back, is by living your own life. Succeed in your life. Be happy. The narcissist will miss you. They will try to put some effort into having you in their life. So choose happiness, choose success, choose to shine. Be a little bit unavailable. Put some distance, some space between you and the narcissist, and they will realize how much they are fond of you. So discover certain new things to do alone. A new lifestyle, for instance. So don't be predictable, because that will make you become a boring person. And the narcissist might not even chase you. And finally, dress well, dress to kill. You see, narcissist is always about appearances. If you want a narcissist to notice you quickly, then you must look your best all the time. Work hard on your grooming so that you can appear intelligent and someone who's sure of what they're doing. Shop for decent clothes. Step out looking like a star. And the narcissist will be manipulated. They'll want to talk to you. They'll want you to be theirs. They'll want to associate with you. So don't ignore those small things that can make you look your best. So look decent, look well, dress well. When you do that, these things will make you feel better about yourself. You'll have more confidence, self-confidence. So, practice these things that I've mentioned in this video, and you'll make the narcissist obsessed with you. They'll chase you. They will find you irresistible. Now, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please spare 1 second or two and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified about it. Remember, knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.